Comes to how you earn, we're gonna discuss now. So the very first way of earning in Usana is what we call retail income. Retail income. So I have good news. So when you joined Usana, Miss Lenny, Elaine, and Betsen, all products that you bought, your initial products pa lang, distributor's price na yon. So when you sell your products, automatically tubo ka na. So Usana has two price lists. Meron tayong distributor price list. Meron din tayong suggested retail price list. So ngayon, you can get a copy of this from your coach or mentor, and you can also download this online when you log into your Usana account. So just imagine, kunwari, you bought 20,000 worth of Usana or 30,000 worth of Usana. Ang markup mo sa product on average is about 20%. So if you bought mga 20,000, when you sell everything, ang balik niyan sa'yo mga 24, 25,000. So dun pa lang, ROI ka na kaagad. And ngayon, I have good news for you pa. Hindi rin to kasi sinasabi sa mga guest kasi medyo nagiging complicated na siya masyado. When you buy Usana products for the second time, third time, fourth time, 100th time, and all the succeeding times, meron ka pang additional 10% discount. So sobrang mura na ng Usana products when you buy for the second time and sa all the succeeding times. So medyo straightforward naman yung retail income. Ito pa yung another cool thing. What if si Petsen, nag-start kunyari siya ng Usana in Cebu. Si Petsen goes to Sydney, Australia for 3 months. Tapos pumunta siya sa office ng Usana sa Australia. Yung ID number ba niya sa Philippines, does that entitle her to buy Usana Australia products at distributor's price? Yes. So when you go to the States, when you go to Australia or in any of the Usana markets, basta meron kang registered Usana ID number, forever and ever, distributor's price ang bili mo sa Usana products, not only in the Philippines but globally. So, ngayon, second way of earning is what we call new sales bonus. New sales bonus. So, pag sinabi natin new sales bonus, nakasulat dito, earn 10% from the points purchased by your new sponsors. Valid for 26 weeks. So, how does this work? So, what if I'm Elaine? Tapos si Elaine, classmate niya from high school, si Raj, kinausap niya about Usana. Tapos si Elaine, auntie niya, si Miss Lenny, kinausap din niya about Usana. So yung dalawang taong yon, what if si Raj decides na sige Elaine, I'll buy 300 points. Si Miss Lenny, yung auntie niya, decides to buy 200 points. So ano yung nakasulat dito? Sabi sa new sales bonus, you get 10% from total points purchased by your new sponsors. So in this case, si Elaine, how much does she make? Elaine makes $30 kay Raj and $20 kay Miss Lenny. So what if si Elaine, she's based in Quezon City. Si Raj is based in Canada. Does Elaine get the $30? Canada yung account ni Raj. Yes. So what if si Elaine, taga Quezon City, si Miss Lenny, taga Laguna, and Miss Lenny buys 200 points? Does Elaine get the $20? Yes. So ang tanong ng iba, what if mentor, I sign up on a Monday? Tapos I talk to 10 people in one day. Out of 10 people, ang nag-sign up 3. Do I get 10% from the 3 people? Yes. So what if on your first month, you get 10, 20 people to sign up? Do you get 10% from each of the 10 or 20 people? Yes. So dito, yung new sales bonus mo, wala siyang cap. And ang nakasulat, secondly, is that it's valid for 26 weeks. So what if, kunyari si Eileen, nag-sign up si Raj sa kanya, nag-sign up si Miss Lenny sa kanya. Si Raj, after 6 weeks, bumili ng 100 points. Si Miss Lenny, after 8 weeks, bumili ng 200 points. So all the succeeding purchases nila on their first 26 weeks, you get 10%. Kaya, inyo sana, maririnig mo, uy, si ganito, last week lang nag-start, she made $100, she made $150. So it's because maraming ways to earn ng Yusana, and one of which is the new sales bonus. So kaya kanina, I was giving an example. If you know 500 people, definitely you cannot convince 200 out of 500. You cannot even convince 100 out of 500. Out of 500 people, you can only convert like 10%. So about 50 people. So yung 50 people na yon, if ma-sign up mo sila isa-isa, you get a new sales bonus from each of the 50 people. You would be signing up in Usana. Kaya nga ang goal natin dito is to sign up your 50 people out of 500 kaagad. Kasi the more new sales bonus na meron ka. So thirdly, how else do you earn? You earn through what we call base commissions. Base commissions. So ano yung nakasulat dito? Cut-off is Saturday 2 p.m. Philippine time. Kasi yung Saturday 2 p.m. Philippine time, that's Friday midnight sa Salt Lake City, where our global headquarters is located. So ngayon, pagdating ng Saturday 2 p.m., titingnan ng system, ilang points ba si Eileen sa left? Ilang points ba si Eileen sa right? So, ngayon, what if ganito yung nangyari? Si Eileen signs up somebody on the left side who purchases 500 points. And si Eileen also, may nag-sign up sa kanya sa right side. 300 points. Ano yung nakasulat dito? Pagdating ng Saturday 2 p.m., titingnan ng system, ano yung lower side ni Eileen? So Saturday 2 p.m., pagkita ng system, oops, si Eileen may 500 points sa left, may 300 points sa right. Ano yung lower side? It's the right side. Times 20%, that's the commission of Eileen. So from the base commission, she gets $60. Ngayon, yung $60, pagdating ng Saturday 2 p.m., makikita nila, o sige, si Eileen get $60 this week. How will Eileen get the commission, the payout? It will be wired from the US, from the bank account of Usana, to your Philippine bank account. Kaya yung commission mo on Saturday, you will receive that Thursday the following week. Kasi it's a telegraphic transfer. Hindi siya GCash transfer. Hindi siya bank-to-bank transfer. It's an international wire money transfer. So, di ba si Eileen, in this case, she had 500 sa left, 300 points sa right the previous week. So, si Eileen, hindi naman niya na-exhaust yung buong 500 points. So, ngayon, sorry, ito pala muna. Di ba si Eileen, meron tayong base commission, yung 20% lower side. Pero iba yung new sales bonus, yung number 2. So yung base commission, sabi 20% of lower side, pero sabi sa new sales bonus, it's 10% from every sign up. So in this case, sa base commission, Eileen earns $60. Pero Eileen also earns $50 and $30 from the new sales bonus. Kasi siya yung nag-recruit dun sa 500 points and 300 points. So how much ang commission ni Eileen that week? She earns $140. Tapos the following week, that after cut-off, si Eileen starts with 200 points sa left kasi hindi naman niya fully na-consume yung 500 points last week. So meron siyang 200 points sa left and 0 points sa right. And ito yung exciting. The following week, si Eileen already has one person on the left and one person on the right. So yung persons left and right, sila din, they know people na may high cholesterol, they know people din na gusto ng anti-aging, who are into skincare. So what if we train the people also sa left and right ni Elaine? So yung mga nasa ilalim niya, they would refer other people also. Ito na yung exciting part. So kunyari, yung person sa left side ni Elaine, si Raj, meron brother gustong mag-join ng USANA sa Canada. Tapos si Miss Lenny, yung tita ni Elaine na nag-join sa right side, meron amiga gustong mag-join din 500 points. Ito yung question. Yung sign up ba ni Raj and yung sign up ba ni Miss Lenny, counted pa din ba yon sa left and right ni Elaine? The answer is yes. So, meaning to say, kukumpitin ng USANA, pagdating ng Saturday 2 p.m., ilang points ba si Elaine sa left, ilang points ba sa right? So in this case, pagdating ng new cut-off, Elaine has 700 points sa left, 500 points sa right side. So, the following week, ano yung lower side? So that's the right side. So 500 times 20%, Elaine gets $100. Ngayon, si Elaine ba, meron ba siyang new sales bonus doon sa recruit ni Miss Lenny? Wala. Kasi yung recruit ni Miss Lenny na 500 points, yung new sales bonus noon napunta kay Miss Lenny. And yung na-recruit din ni Raj, yung new sales bonus noon napunta kay Raj. Pero yung points ng recruits nila, counted yon as points ni Elaine also. Nasusundan nyo guys? So what if ganito naman yung scenario? May dalawang sumali sa left, may dalawang sumali sa right. So pagdating ng Saturday 2 p.m., USANA will just add the points. So you have 700 left, 500 right. So how much do you make? You earn $100. Ngayon, what if ganito naman yung scenario? May dalawang nag-join sa left, pero yung 200 points, recruit mo. May dalawang nag-join sa right, pero yung 300 points, recruit mo. So how much income do you make? You earn $140 sa base commission and you earn $50 from new sales bonus. Bakit? Kasi 'di ba, ilan yung total sa left? 700 points. Ilan yung total sa right? 800 points. So what's the lower side? 700 times 20%, that's $140. Yun yung 20% of lower side. Ngayon, ang assumption natin dito, ikaw yung nag-recruit sa 200 and 300. So meron ka pang 20 plus $30. Kasi 10% of 200, 10% of 300. So meron kang new sales bonus of $50. So you get $190 that week. Ngayon, ang maximum ng USANA is this. Ito na yung exciting part. So kahapon, if you attended our event, merong inawardan, umabot siya ng $1,000 per week, si Coach Jean. Tapos meron pang isa, si Coach Tracy. Well, si Coach Tracy, she's a full-time med student. Tapos part-time niya ang USANA, umabot siya ng $1,000 last week. Si Coach Jean din, full-time CPA siya for Shell Philippines. Tapos, she's been doing USANA part-time for 4 weeks. Umabot siya ng $1,000 times 4 weeks. So, part-timers tong mga to. Pero paano silang umaabot ng $1,000 a week? Kasi, ang nangyayari nga, yung referral of a referral of a referral of a referral of a referral, lahat yon points nila. Kaya nga dito, ang goal natin is for you to get 5 to 10 people a month. 5 to 10 people a month. So, meaning to say, on your third month, you should already have like mga 15 to 30 people under you. So, kasi if you have 30 people, kunyari ngayon, isipin mo, May, May, you get 5 to 10. June, you get 5 to 10. July, you get 5 to 10. Pagdating ng May, June, July. Pagdating ng first week of August, you already have 30 people under you. So yung 30 people under you, pag nag-start silang mag-refer, doon ka magugulat, you're already making mga $300, $400 a week. Diba? Not because you're good, not because you're genius, but because that's how the concept of the business works. Yung referral of a referral of a referral of a referral. Kaya nga dito, maganda, alam mo yung kunyari ngayon, it's only 6 o'clock. Later, maybe you can talk to your coach or mentor and alam mo yung try to schedule somebody for 8 o'clock. Schedule somebody for 10 o'clock. Tapos tomorrow, schedule ka ulit 2 to 3 presentations. The following day, schedule 2 to 3 presentations. If you're talking to like 10 to 15 people a week, you're presenting to like 10 to 15 people a week, you're signing up 3 to 4 people a week. So if you're signing up 3 to 4 people a week, you're signing up mga 10 to 15 people a month. Diba? Ang important lang dito, marami kang kausap. Not everybody will join, but definitely, there are people na very much interested sa products, very much interested sa business mo. And ang maximum income, nakasulat dito, pag umabot ka ng 5,000 points left, 5,000 points right, that's $1,000 per week. Converted to Philippine peso, that's 200,000 a month. And like what I've said, ang target natin in 8 to 10 months, dapat umabot ka ng 200,000 a month. Diba? From this business. Anyway, tuturo naman sa'yo step by step. Ngayon, let's try to recall. Diba when you were a guest, tinatanong ka, uy, Petsen, Elaine, anong gusto mo? Yung 200 points or 400 points? 1 business center or 3 business centers? Yung difference between the two, pumapasok siya dito sa base commission. Had you gotten 1 business center, ang maximum income mo is $1,000 per week. Had you gotten 3 business centers, ang maximum income mo is $3,000 per week. So, ngayon, I have good news again. Kung hindi ka nag-start ng 3 business centers, you are given 6 Fridays to upgrade your account. So, meaning to say, kunyari, nag-join ka today. So, first Friday is ngayong coming Friday. Second Friday is, of course, next. So, bilang ka ng 6 Fridays. So, the moment makita ng system na nag-total ka na ng 400 points, so kunyari, you started with 250 points. And after 4 weeks, you buy 150 points. Automatically, you're upgraded to 3 business centers. Pero you are only given 6 Fridays to upgrade your account. Diba? So, ang goal natin is for you to sign up again, diba, at least 5 to 10 people a month. So, you should do mga 10 to 15 presentations per week. If you do that, magugulat ka, 3 months, 4 months from now, diba, you're already earning mga 60,000, 80,000 pesos a month. So, that's the level that we want. So, you can take a screenshot of this. Ito yung mga rank sa USANA. So, dito kasi nakakalito. Yung mentor mo, may i-introduce sa'yo. Uy, si mentor Nina, she's Ruby Director. Uy, si Coach Jab, she is Director. Ano yun? Ito yun. Ano yung highest income nila per week? So, Director is $600. Silver is $2,000. Kami ni Mentor Raj, we are executive 2-star diamond directors. So wala na kami sa chart. Lumampas-lampas na kami dun sa chart. So, yan, para hindi ka nalilito. So, ngayon, fourth way of earning naman is what we call matching bonus. Matching bonus. Pag sinabi nating matching bonus, you get 10% daw from the income of your sponsors. Hindi ibabawas sa kanila, ima-match lang ng USANA. So how does this work? What if si Miss Lenny, kapitbahay niya si Rowell, and best friend ni Miss Lenny si Cheryl? Di ba si Rowell, meron siyang sariling account, may sarili siyang left and right. Si Cheryl, ganun din. May sariling account, may sariling left and right. So sabi ng Usana, based sa pay setter, matching bonus, whatever income ni Roel, whatever income ni Cheryl, basta same kayo ng status, which is pay setter, you will get 10% match. So ibig sabihin, kunyari, Miss Lenny, si Roel, friend mo, umabot ng $1,000 weekly. Si Cheryl, umabot ng $2,000 weekly. So that's $3,000 weekly total. So 10% of that is $300. That's your matching bonus. Tinawag siya na matching bonus kasi hindi siya ibabawa sa income nila. Imamatch siya ng Usana. So ang tanong ng iba, i-mentor, what if 10 yung ni-recruit ko? Yung 10, same kami ng status, meaning pay setter ako, pay setter sila. Tapos, yung 10 yun, umabot ng tig $1,000 per week. So, $1,000 per week times 10. 10 sila eh. So, that's $10,000. What's 10% of $10,000? $1,000. So, that's your matching bonus. Ngayon, ano yung nakasulat dito? Dapat, ang status daw ng account mo is pay setter. Pay setter. So, ngayon, gaano kadali ang pay setter? So, for you to receive matching bonus, dapat ang status ng account mo pay setter. So, how do you achieve that? So, may 2 requirements. The first requirement is that you should enroll at least 4 people. 4 people. And yung 4 people na yon, dapat ang purchase nila minimum 1,600 points. So, kunyari si Petsen, i-recruit niya si A, B, C, and D. Si A, B, C, and D bumili ng 200, 200, 200, 200 each. So meaning to say, si Petsen, nakaapat siya, pero yung total ng ni-recruit niya, 800 points lang. So hindi pa rin yun enough. So pwede, yung apat niya, mag plus 200, plus 200, plus 200, plus 200. So meaning to say, nakaapat siya, tapos naka 1,600 total siya, that's good. Ang ginagawa naman ng iba, nag-over sila. Parang, ang nare-recruit nila, instead of 4, 20. So, over yung ginawa nila. So, which is good. Ngayon, ang usapan, out of the 10 or 20 people you enroll, 4 doon, dapat mag-reorder ng 100 points. Mag-reorder ng 100 points. So, how does that work? So, kunyari, ang Usana kasi wala siyang pinagkaiba sa traditional business. In traditional business, kunyari, ang business mo, restaurant, initial capital mo is 5 million. Pero every month, nagbabayad ka ng rent, nagbabayad ka ng sweldo, nagbabayad ka ng inventory, ng gasol, ng kuryente, ng VAT. 'Di ba? So, ngayon, ang initial capital mo sa restaurant, 5 million. Pero probably, yung monthly rolling capital mo is 1 to 2 million. Ngayon, in Usana, it's the same concept. Ang initial capital mo is 200 points. Pero ang rolling capital mo is 100 points. So meaning to say, sabi dito, if you enroll 10 people or 20 people, at least 4 people from the people you recruit, dapat mag-purchase ng 100 points on their 5th week. Mag-purchase sila ng 100 points on their 5th week. Pag nagawa mo yon, automatically pay setter ka. Ngayon, ito yung good news. Pag natapos mo yung pay setter, you get a separate bonus of $300 just by hitting pay setter. So, just imagine, kunyari, this week, you talk to 15 people. So, out of the 15 people, sabihin natin, nag-sign up 4. Ngayon, yung 4 na sumali this week, on their 5th week, bumili ng tig 100 points. So, in 5 weeks, done ka na sa pay setter. You get $300 pay setter bonus. Tapos meron ka pang new sales bonus, meron ka pang base commissions. Tapos na-hit mo na yung paysetter status. So, ngayon, Usana is actually giving you Usana is actually giving you 13 weeks to hit paysetter. Pero in our team, we really don't want you guys hitting paysetter in 13 weeks. Bakit? Kasi kunyari ako si Miss Lenny, mag-join ako today, May. So May, June, July, that's 13 weeks. If I hit paysetter in 13 weeks, pagdating ng 13th week, after 3 months, ilan yung tao ko? I only have 4. Which is very bad. Kasi ang gusto natin, on your third month, dapat 30 people na, 40 people na, 50 people na. Para pag nag-start silang gumalaw, April, May, June, pagdating ng July, nasa 60, 70, 80,000 ka na. Kaya ang Usana time frame is 13 weeks, but we don't follow that. Yung pay setter, dapat nga in 1 to 2 weeks, tapos ka na dyan sa apat mo. Kasi ang gusto natin is 5 to 10 recruits per month. Diba? Not everybody will join. But definitely, if you know 300, 500 people, you can get 30 to 50 people in 3 months. Kaya gawin natin to na mabilis. So if you can do 2 presentations later, 3 presentations tomorrow, 4 presentations the following day, do so. And I have good news pala. If you're new, you're not required to do the presentations yourself. Ang kailangan mo lang is to schedule people for presentations and yung coach mo, yung teammates mo, yung magpe-present dun sa guest mo. So first 10 presentations mo, iba yung magpe-present for you. Tapos eventually, of course, aralin mo how to present. But first 10, 20 presentations, your coach and the whole team will help you convince the people you know about Usana. Clear ba, guys? Yan. Tapos, ito yung example ng matching bonus. Para lang may idea kayo. So, the two people on the outer side, si Mentor RV and Florence, husband and wife sila. They're diamond directors, ₱1 million per month. They're nursing graduates, hindi na sila nag-work, nag-Usana sila diretso. One of the sponsors nila, si Mentor Gabe, yung nasa gitna, umabot siya ng Ruby Director level. Ngayon, matching bone, whatever Gabe earns every month, 10% of that, matching bonus ni RV and Florence. So in this case, sabi ko, grabe RV and Florence, 1 month matching bonus nila kay Gabe, nasa 450 to 60,000 pesos a month. Sabi pambihira, yung matching bonus nyo kay Gabe, parang sweldo na ng bank manager. 'Di ba? Tinalo nyo pa. And matching bonus pa lang yan. Iba yung base commission, iba yung new sales bonus, iba yung retail income. Meron pa tayong leadership bonus, meron pang elite bonus, pero hindi na natin discuss yun. Masyado ng OA yun. Advanced na yun. Pero yung mga bonuses na yun, that's like 200,000 a month. Yung iba, parang 3 million a quarter, 5 million pesos a quarter. Pero, let's stick to this. Alright? And ngayon, lastly, for you to be commission qualified sa Usana, like what I've said, kailangan nagme-maintain ka ng 100 points per month. And that's so easy. Kasi not everybody you talk to will join the business, but they would want to order products. So yung initial products mo, yun yung ibenta mo sa kanila. Tapos mag-replenish ka lang every month. Pero bigyan kita ng example. What if ang products mo, ang gusto mong i-order next month, panay vitamins. So, 3,690 siya per set. Pero pagbenta mo, pagbili mo, 3,321 na lang per set. Kasi discounted siya by additional 10%. Clear? So ngayon, we're down to the last part. How do you actually get your business started? So number 1, for you to get your business started, sabi nila, you should know your why. Know your why. So, whatever venture, dapat clear sa atin, ba't ba natin ginagawa yung venture na yon? So for example, in employment, sabi nila employment is easier than business. Bakit? In employment kasi wala kang ibang why other than no work, no pay. 'Di ba kahit ayaw mo nang gawin, kahit nasisiraan ka na ng ulo, nasistress ka na sa boss mo, no work, no pay, sige gagawin ko po. In business, sabi nila mahirap. Bakit? Kasi yung business ay kapagod, ayoko na. You're the boss eh. Whatever your mood is, yun na yun. Ngayon, sabi nila Bill Gates, nila Manny Villar, you should have a clear reason why you want to succeed in business. Di ba papasok dyan sa 5 years from now, 10 years from now, are you happy to be where you are today, 5 years later? If not, di ba, ano daw yung itsura ng buhay na gusto mo 5 years, 10 years from now? And you build towards that. And ngayon, sabi nila, whatever reason why you have, whatever reason you want to succeed, let that be the reason, let that be the catalyst why you will succeed. Kasi yung ibang tao, ginagawa nilang excuse yung reason nila. Sinasabi nila, I want to succeed because I wanna fire my boss. Pero I cannot succeed because ang daming pinapagawa ng boss ko. I want to succeed because of my kids, pero I cannot succeed because I'm busy with my kids. 'Di ba? So, yun, let the reason why you want to succeed be your catalyst. Secondly, if you want to succeed daw, don't worry about skills. You don't need to be great. You don't need to be competent sa simula. Kasi even if you don't know how to sell, even if you don't know how to talk to people, that's fine. Umattend ka lang ng trainings, tinuturo yan lahat. Pero more than skill, more important is the attitude, the mindset. So there are two mindsets that are important in USANA. First is the yes mentor attitude. So nung bago ako sa USANA, sobrang cringe for me yung mentor, having to call people mentor. Sabi ko, ba't ang baduy ng tawagan dito? Parang kulto. Coach, mentor. Tapos, nung tumagal-tagal ako sa USANA, after a year, I started making my at least $1 million per month. And nung tinatawag ko yung mentor ko, sabi ko, mentor Nat, mentor Nat. So after a year, parang one day, nauntog ako. Sabi ko, well, this person that I'm calling mentor, he really mentored me, he really taught me, he really coached me, guided me to succeed in my business and earn 7 figures. Pero outside, alam mo yung you call people, ma'am, sir, yes ma'am, yes sir, yes boss, yes po, opo. 'Di ba? Parang people are subservient. Why? Because they get paid 30,000, 40,000, 60,000. 'Di ba? In USANA, hindi mo boss yung coach mo, probably nga mas bata pa yung coach mo sa iyo. Baka yun may gatas, alam mo yung parang may gatas pa sa labi. Pero at the end of the day, these people, they're helping you, guiding you succeed in your business. So, yan. Number 1, you should have a yes mentor attitude. Kaya nga yung sina Mentor Lincoln Lim, yung owner ng Toyota, sobrang natutuwa kami sa humility nila. Kasi minsan parang, ha, ba't ka pa nagpapaturo? Eh parang yung net worth mo yata is times 50 ng net worth ko. Times 100 ng net worth ko. Pero sila, yeah, I'm successful in Toyota. I'm successful in my traditional business. Pero in USANA, I don't know anything. So, paturo ako sa'yo. Parang that's their mindset. That's why, itong mga taong to, alam mo yung they have a good learning and listening attitude. Whatever opportunity ibigay mo sa kanila, they really flourish. Bakit? Kasi they're teachable and they're willing to follow. Diba? So, yun yung maganda sa business natin. There's a mentor, there's a coach, there's a training system. Thirdly, for you to succeed, you should master the USANA compensation plan. So kanina, pinasadahan natin siya. If you understood it right away, very good. Pero kung hindi naman, it's okay. Kasi as you listen to more trainings, as you listen to more presentations, mas maiintindihan mo fully yung compensation plan natin. Second to the last, before we end, you should have a prospect list of at least 300 names. Pero sa totoo lang, you know more than 300. You know about 2,000, 3,000 people. And again, ang conversion rate natin is 10%. If you have 1,000, you can convert like 50 to 100 sign-ups or customers combined. Pero ngayon, hindi naman required na ilista mo ba yung 300 all at once. Actually, ang assignment mo, maaga pa naman, is to list down 20 names. The top 20 people you wanna talk to and approach about Usana. So, list down mo siya either on paper or sa laptop mo or sa cellphone mo. And right after this training, I want you to call your coach or mentor para mag-schedule na kayo. So yung 20 people na yun, schedule mo na tonight, tomorrow, the day after tomorrow. Try to do 10 to 15 presentations this week. Kasi kung makasign up ka ng 4 this week, tapos ka na sa paysetter eh. Halos. Tapos, kapag nakasign up ka ng 4, almost $200 na yung income mo this week. Or over pa. So, try to earn your first $100 or $200 this week. Just schedule 10 to 15 people for presentation this week. And lastly, as we end, ito, for you to really succeed in any business, you should master that business. Kasi you cannot expect to succeed in a gasoline station if you don't know how to run a gasoline station. You cannot succeed in a grocery business unless you know how to run a grocery store. In the same way, you cannot succeed in a Usana business unless you know how to run a Usana business. Di ba? So, dito, kung aaralin mo na rin lang siya, aralin mo siya ng mabilis. Kung aaralin mo siya ng todo-todo. And lastly, kung gagawin mo yung Usana, pwede mo kasi siya gawin ng mabagal, alam mo yon, reluctantly. Pero for me, kung gagawin mo na lang din siya, alam mo yung kakausap ka na rin lang ng tao, kung mausap ka na rin 10 to 20 people a week, kaysa yung 1 to 2 people a week, ang bagal-bagal, ang bagal ng result. Pero if you talk to 10 to 20 people a week, it's not your goal to convince 10 out of 10, 20 out of 20. Pero out of 10, out of 20, meron 2 or 4 willing to join. Ang important is gawin mo siya ng mabilis. So your assignment is, again, to list down 20 names, call your coach or mentor, paturo ka how to schedule these people. Kwento mo ano yung background, face-to-face ba or Zoom presentations. You discuss that with your mentor, then schedule 10 to 20 presentations this week. Go earn your first $100 to $200 this very week. Alright? So, again, ang goal natin in Usana is not to be earning $100 per week, $200 per week. Barya lang yun. That's 20 to 40,000 a month. Kung ganyan lang, magsari-sari store ka na lang. 'Di ba? Or magtinda-tinda ka na lang ng insurance. 'Di ba? Pero ang goal kasi natin dito, on your 6th month, 8th month, dapat nasa 80 to 100,000 a month ka na. It's hard work. We're not saying na when you join Usana, petiks lang. I mean, it's hard work. Pero for me naman, if ganyan naman yung income na kapalit, why not? 'Di ba? Might as well take it seriously. Alright? So, that's all for now, guys. Once again, welcome to Usana. Let's do the business in warp speed, hyper mode, beast mode, para mabilis natin mabuild yung network. See you guys!
Alright, Gavin, thank you, Mentor Ryan. Guys, we can unmute.